Okay, now we're going to go through the parts of the microscope. To begin with, this portion right here is called the eyepiece. It houses the ocular lens, which is the first lens that you look through when you're viewing a specimen. Next, we have the body. The body attaches the eyepiece to the nosepiece. The nosepiece is depicted in pink here, and it's what houses the objective lenses. When looking at something through the microscope, the objective lenses are going to be what you're looking through. It's going to be what magnifies the specimen. These can be anywhere from 4x or 4 times magnification up to 400x or 400 times. This portion right here is the stage. On the stage, we have stage clips. The stage clips hold the specimen or the microscope slide in place. The viewing platform is called the stage. So if you are looking at a little petri dish of planaria, okay, you're going to set it right on there. Or if you're going to be looking at a microscope slide of onion cells, you're going to slip under the stage clips onto the stage. Now, right below the stage, in blue here, we have something called the diaphragm. The diaphragm controls how much light shines up through the stage and then through the objective through the eyepiece. Now, right here, okay, we have our light source. In modern microscopes, the light source is a true light, but in a lot of older models, they actually had to use mirrors, and a light would shine down onto the mirror and then up through the microscope. But luckily for us, this is now just a light that shines up. At the very bottom is the base. And then this in yellow is called the arm. When you are holding or carrying a microscope, you're going to grasp it by the arm and put a hand under the base. Now, we have 2 knobs left over. The bigger knob is called the coarse adjustment knob. This is what's going to bring the specimen. It's going to move the stage up and down, but it's going to really bring it into view. And then to bring it into focus, we have the fine adjustment knob. On this model, the two are separated, but in some cases, you'll see the coarse adjustment knob with the fine adjustment knob attached on the inside of it. So these are the parts of the microscope.